To stake your Phantom Wallet recovery phrase, you need to understand the importance of securing your cryptocurrency assets. The recovery phrase is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Staking your recovery phrase involves storing it safely to prevent unauthorized access. First, find a secure location to store your recovery phrase, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box at a bank. You can also consider using a password manager or a hardware wallet to generate and store your recovery phrase. Next, make sure to write down your recovery phrase correctly and store it in the designated location. It is crucial to keep your recovery phrase confidential and not share it with anyone. To add an extra layer of security, consider using a passphrase in addition to your recovery phrase. A passphrase is a password that you need to enter in addition to your recovery phrase to access your wallet. Another best practice is to create a backup of your recovery phrase and store it in a separate location. This ensures that you can still access your wallet even if the primary copy of your recovery phrase is lost or destroyed. It is also important to note that you should never store your recovery phrase on a digital device or online, as this can make it vulnerable to hacking and unauthorized access. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Phantom Wallet recovery phrase is secure and protected from unauthorized access. Remember to always prioritize the security of your cryptocurrency assets and take the necessary precautions to protect your recovery phrase.